In this video, I'll show you how to buy Solana on Phantom Wallet. Firstly, after you install the Phantom Wallet on your browser or app, you'll see your wallet's balance and two options, deposit and send. Just click on deposit. After clicking deposit, you'll see two options, buy with MoonPay and transfer with FTX. Select buy with MoonPay option. The MoonPay window will automatically select SOL as the currency purchase. Enter the amount of SOL you want to purchase. The summary section below will show the equivalent amount in USD and how much SOL you will receive. After entering the amount, click Continue, and if you are a new user, you need to sign up by providing your email address. Now, copy the code and paste it, and enter your verification code to finish your sign up. After that, you will need to provide personal basic details. Now, MoonPay will ask you for your card details, number, expiration date, and security code. Just enter them and click Continue. Once all the details are entered, MoonPay will process the order. Wait for a few minutes for order to be completed and your SOL will be deposited into your Phantom wallet. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.